this big gathering for them. And then we call them the boots.
How's it? First time passing.
These will end up on Facebook, won't they?
This is going on Facebook, yeah.
Well, come back this way so I smile.
All right.
Yeah.
She's not bashful. That's what I like.
Or just so for
Just need to smile all this time.
Yeah, no problem. Okay. You want me to start? You start. Okay. Where's Leah? Okay, anyway, honey, can you watch him just for a minute? Anyway,
Another minute.
welcome to, New Hope Rec Paddling. Okay, this is our location, beautiful Sand Island. And out here we have Mokuea Island, which is a beautiful little island that is state-owned and leased by these people. And they're not going to be able to stay probably a whole lot longer, but
I
anyway.
have a friend lives out there, Dwight.
You do?
Dwight, yeah.
It's kind of neat. It's probably the only place like that
You gotta
left.
take a boat in and out.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the six-man outrigger, which is, you know, the traditional cultural sport of Hawaii. And for practices, we use the fiberglass boat. And in the races, we normally, on regatta sprints, we use a koa boat, which is a beautiful wooden boat that you see that's pretty much priceless. So for practice purposes, we use the six-man outrigger fiberglass. And basically, you have the ama, which is the stabilizer of the boat. And these are called yakos. They anchor our ama to the ocean and to the canoe. And you have the hull. This is called the gunnel. Okay, on the front of the boat and the back. This platform thing is called a manu. It kind of breaks the waves up there. Okay, so basically when you paddle, the technique is people paddle together and blend, the canoe will move. That's the basic theory. Okay, so the technique, basically you're going to rip your paddle about one handspan off the bottom of your shaft. This is the proper placement of your bottom hand. Okay, your top hand is on the top of the tee. When you paddle, you'll be your angle of your blade. This angle is towards the ocean. If you have your paddle turned this way, it's the wrong way. So you want the angle towards the ocean. Okay. The top hand is here. Your bottom hand here. And you're kind of reaching out. Okay. You're going to push down your top hand. At the same time, pull back that bottom hand and take the stroke. Okay. So it's here. You want to reach out. To get the canoe to move, you want to reach out, and you're basically pulling yourself, pulling the canoe to move like this. Reach out, press down, push down your top hand, bring the bottom down. Okay? Just like this. When you bring your blade back, you want to think about taking it out. Basically, you're going to power it totally, and then it's going to flow back just a little further. You just bring it back. Out. You see there's a little lean there I'm doing, a little bend. Out. Okay, we're going to do we usually do about 14 or so strokes on one side. And then the number 2 person in the canoe, they're a caller, they'll call a change. So they'll say hot. She'll say hot at the beginning of the stroke. Hot. And then on the hoe, you're going to change over to this side. See, and you're doing the same thing. You're just changing hands. Hot, and I do the next one I'm going over. So I'm just exchanging hands. Oh. Okay. Same thing. I'm going to take about 14 strokes. She's going to call it hot, and then hold. Okay. Number 1 in the canoe is the pace setter. Okay. So that's what we call a stroker. She's the one that sets the pace. Number 2 is also like a number 1. She's also a stroker. But she's sitting behind one and she's following the pace and the reach of number 1. And it dictates on down towards the end of the canoe. So 1 is the pace setter. 3 is going to follow 1 because we're staggered on every other side, yeah? 5 will follow 3. For number 2, they're going to follow, she's following 1 in the pace, but she's on the opposite side. 4 is following 2, and 6 is your steersman. 6 is the one, normally it's like the captain of the boat. They kind of dictate if the pace is too slow, they'll tell the stroke, okay, pick it up. If it's too fast, they'll say slow it down, reach it out. Okay, so that's the basics. Anybody got questions? Okay, when your blade goes in the water, you're pushing down your top hand, bringing your backhand back. You're basically bearing that blade all the way here, all the way up. Okay? That's, yeah, you want it up to here. You're pressing down, once you get fully immersed, it's all the way here. That gives you all the power, full power. If you're only putting your blade about this deep, you'll only get 3/4 power. You want that blade fully immersed, okay?
Tired already. I want the water, Dad. Grandpa, I want the water.
Better than sinking.
Does anybody have questions? Okay, let's get the canoe in and paddle. Okay. We'll just go leisurely. I'll steer the canoe, or you steer. I'll steer the canoe. Okay, and let's figure out how we're going to sit.
Lee, do you tell them about when you go outside about a mile, you tip over and everything?
Yeah. We'll just stay inside here. We do go outside, out into the channel and towards Waikiki, but we won't be doing that today. Okay, so let's see. Why don't you sit 4? Who's going to sit 4? I'm going to put you in seat number 1. You're going to be the stroke. Can you handle?
Okay.
Okay, I thought you could. Muller, you'll go in 3. You in 3. Leon.
You got it?
Leon.
Want some help? There you go.
Yeah, so then we can split into 2 canoes then.
I've paddled before, E3,
Okay.
one off season with Canoe,
Okay, cool. So we have,
but I never was in the front, so I don't know the pace. But I was going to take the challenge.
take the challenge. You can do it. Okay? So unless you want to bring a second canoe out, because there's only 8 of us, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, Richie, are you going to jump in?
I could.
You can jump in. Yeah, we can take 2 canoes then.
Yeah.
You like. Okay, we'll have to grab a couple more paddlers though.
Right, there's one in your hand.
There's
Yeah, you
one.
got one.
Maybe we can wait for the other canoe to come back to the other paddles to go.
All right. Brian, you ready?
I'm ready. I had my first Hawaiian
Bill, you ready?
barbecue last
I'm
night.
ready.
You're the stroker.
I'm a stroker.
All right.
Not a midnight smoker.
Who's,
What a blessing. Yeah.
So I had my first Hawaiian barbecue last night.
you did? How was it? What'd you guys eat?
I had some teriyaki beef and
Chicken.
some Hawaiian potato salad.
Oh man, you guys scarfed.
Oh, of course. Yeah.
I missed out.
So
You know what I had?
what?
Organic cottage cheese and flaxseed oil.
Oh,
You having a problem with your bowels, are you?
yeah, the message was good too.
This is good.
Yeah, I actually got something to think about and study on.
Charlie was it Pastor Charlie?
Yeah.
He's good. He's a nice guy.